This is a 13 by 25 cc router. This machine table is a 1 kg table, also with the T-salt. And this machine 1 kg table switch, there are 6 switches. Machine rail is having guide rail, and the TBI both screw. Machine spindle is HISD spindle. HISD brand spindle. Machine cabinet is independent type cabinet. And the system is DSP. Let's see the DSP system. It have English version. It's convenient. Machine is installed with durable tin oil pump. Let's see the downside of the table. There are vacuum tubers for the table. And here is a self-protect the rail from the dust. And here is a fan for cooling.